How to verify your identity on Chase UK application. First, you want to open the Chase app, and here if you don't have an account on Chase app, you want to simply tap on create an account. However, if you already have an account, simply tap on login. I'm going to tap on create an account. After that, you want to tap on I'm ready over here and simply click on continue. Tap on let's go, and here it'll ask for all your informations. You want to keep filling out this informations, like it'll ask for your names, your emails, your phone number, and to verify your identity, it'll ask for any form of identification like your birth certificate, your citizenship certificate, or your driving license. You want to simply upload the picture of your driver license or your citizenship certificate, and you want to scan your photo to verify your identity. After that, you want to tap on done. After that, you want to keep on tapping next until you see the done option. After that, you want to simply tap on done, and your new Chase account will be opened with your verification with the verification of your identity. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.